Hi, welcome to Freshers Live. Here I will explain how to apply for assistant manager and junior manager vacancies in Assam Power Distribution Company. In the top of page you will find the company name, vacancy name, educational qualification, total number of vacancy, job location and other key information about this vacancy. This is the link of recruitment page. This link is given below the video. The last date to apply for this vacancy is 20th January 2015. When scrolling down at the bottom of the page, you see click here for more details and click on it. This is the official notification page of Assam Power Distribution Company Limited. Applications are invited from eligible candidates for the post of assistant manager and junior manager vacancies. Here the reservation, salary, educational qualification and age limit are given. Candidates read it carefully before you apply for this vacancy. The candidates must be a domicile of Assam and should have a proficiency in Assamese or local language. Candidates have to pay application fees for written examination. SC/ST candidates have to pay ₹250 for application fees. Other category candidates have to pay ₹500 for application. Application fee should be paid by DD drawn in favor of this address. Candidates selection is based on written test and viva-voce. The written examination syllabus are clearly given in this table. Candidates read it carefully. Eligible candidates may send their application in the prescribed format and enclosed with these attested copies of documents, that is, educational qualification certificate, date of birth certificate, residence certificate, 2 passport size photograph and 2 self-addressed envelopes. Applications and copies of documents should be sent to this address. After reading all these instructions, candidates now go back to Freshers Live page and scroll down the page. Here we see click here to apply button and click on it. This is the application form of Assam Power Distribution Company. Here you have to paste a recent passport size photograph with the signature, then write the name of post in this column. Please fill your personal details like name, father's name, date of birth, correct communication address with the contact number and email ID. Write your nationality and choose the category, whether you belongs to SC, ST or OBC. If you are a physically challenged person, write yes, otherwise write no. Educational qualification and experience gain details are clearly filled in these tables. Here you have to fill the well-known languages. Please fill your demand draft details like DD number, DD date and amount. Please write the preference order of this post. Finally, candidates read the declaration part and sign in signature column. Here you have to fill the enclosed documents details. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.